Guys, so I'm gonna do an Ulta haul, and let's see if nobody's listening to me today, because yesterday somebody was listening to me outside. It's so creepy and weird and uncomfortable. I felt low. So I put the TV on and low because I don't want to get copyrighted. And I just saw the freaking little kid from second coding right now. I just put friends. So yeah, that's why I have it here, so I can turn it up if I hear somebody. I'm gonna talk as low as possible because I feel weird today, because it's cloudy and rainy today, so maybe nobody's outside, but still it's freaking weird when somebody's being creepy and listening to you. Ugh. So anyways, I just bought boring stuff that I needed. So the first thing is these scrunchies, because I'm trying to do more hair tutorials and hairstyles. Oh, this got stuck, and a lash glue. I needed lash glue, boring stuff. I needed cleanser, boring stuff. I use this for my face and eyes, and I bought two because they're sale, I think. So yeah. It's like, you know what, let me just buy them both. And then, oh yeah, this has been trending everywhere in TikTok and YouTube. They're the NYX brow glue. And I never tried a clear brow before, and I'm trying to do those brows that go up, that look cool. I forgot the name. But yeah, let's see if it works. And then, oh yeah, I need a concealer, so I got this Electrónico Pro Conceal. This is so orange. This looks very dark. I got the wrong color. Oh wow. And then this is the JESSUPBEAUTY Perfect Brow Pencil. I needed a brow pencil because I ran out. And then I got the Essence, the blush, and the shade Beloved. Whoa, it's so small. The picture looks bigger, so it looks like that. It's pretty. Then the last thing I think, is the EOS lip balm. I already have a mint one. I have to repurchase. It's my favorite product, so I wanted to try a different flavor. I always get mint, so I got the strawberry. Let's see if I like it. And the last thing is the Essence Superfine Eyeliner Pen, because I ran out of eyeliner quick, and the next one that I always use costs like $8-10, so it's expensive to keep buying it. So this one's like $3.